guys, so today I got a fidget spinner. So we're gonna try to see. I have an air compressor back there, and we're gonna see how fast we can get it to go, and hopefully pop some balloons. So let's go. Okay, so we got some pressure built up in the air compressor. Now we're gonna attach it to this thingy. Don't even know what it is, but I know it's good. Okay. Second place. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick test, just a little bit. Oh yeah, it's totally gonna work. Okay, so now we're gonna do it. We're gonna see how loud it is too. Oh my! Oh my gosh, that's hurt. Ow! That hurt. Let's stop it. Okay, so now we're gonna blow up some balloons to pop with it. So let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, it works. Okay, and we're just gonna tie them all and then pop them with the fidget spinner. Okay, so we have my friend Tyler here. I'm gonna spin it and then we're gonna see if we can pop it with the balloon.
Alright, so how fast the spinner goes, we're gonna see if we can pop it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is a dangerous video. I recommend you don't do it.
Ready? Now we're gonna put it into like a whole bunch of balloons. We're gonna blow them up, and then we're gonna see how many it can pop. Alright, ready? Here we go.
Hey! Wait, hold on. There it is, alright.
Ready?
Alright guys, so here we go.
Ow, it hurts. Gosh, it's not even bothering me.
Here, I have to hold it,
Okay, so I was doing it so fast that the 2 bearing covers flew off.
Throw the balloon.
Here's another one. Hopefully these things go back on.
Here, I'll help you.
Yeah, they stay on.
Hey! Alright guys, so we'll go watch the Bulls beat the Celtics today.
First test, we're gonna spin it and then put it in water.
Here we go!
Oh my gosh, that like. Oh crap, I can't get this wet, I forgot, it will rust. So guys, that's pretty much what we're gonna do for this video. If you wanna see more with the fidget spinner and like me smashing into other things, we have a TV we could do it into, we have a bunch of stuff we could do it. Comment down below what we should do and if we should keep doing it.
Go Bulls!
Go Bulls! So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new and see you guys in the next one.
Smash that like button.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and